Mother teacher is the teacher, those who belongs to the category called pre-primary segment. Means they are going to teach science, maths, English, EVS, everything. So if you are the mother teacher, you are the next mother for them. Remember, you are the next mother for them. So you should talk to them in a very polite and nice way. You can give them the instruction, but not in the nursery, not in the playgroup. Provide the environment what they were looking for. Sometime you need to go with the emotional support. If you'll ask them what you had in your breakfast and listen their story, what mama cooked, idli or poha or whatever the thing, it will give the connection. It will give you the emotional support to them. And it will maintain the personal relationship. Sometimes you can ask about their favorite cartoon. Sometimes you can ask about their favorite colors. Personal touch is also important. Next, start introducing discipline to them. I told the beautiful concept, go with a small line. Make the train game. And by introducing this small concept called train game or going in the line, going with the queue, let's walk like an ant, going with the circle time, this will introduce the discipline to them that they should listen. And it will be helpful for them for the higher grades. Because you are the root. And when we will work on the root in a proper way, when we will build their correct character in a proper way, never they will get problem in the future. Encouragement and affection. It's very important for you as a mother teacher to teach. Be ready to encourage them, support them, go with affection. So safety and security and hygiene is a very important parameter of your life. Your teaching is really important and you need to be around it. Teaching life skill. Sometimes keeping the things on the bag, removing the things from the bag, showing their notebook, submitting their diary, giving you the pencil, paper, pen. This is going to teach them what is a life for them. How to eat also, it's a life skill. Some children will eat in a very dirty way. As soon as they'll open the box, they will just 2 hands. So you can teach them, spread the newspaper, put your box properly, then eat, go with the spoon. So life skills we are teaching. I'm not telling that you can teach everything, but when they are in front of you, whatever the extent if you can teach the life skill, please teach it. Because we want to make the better future, better society. If you are the class teacher of any particular class now, they should remember you lifetime. There's someone who has changed me. There's someone who has guided me. There's someone who was important for me. Even I remember who was my nursery teacher. Why? Because the way she taught, the way she used to go with the creativity. She was 68 or 65-year-old on that time. She was very old, oldest teacher, I could say, almost retired. But even though the way she used to take the class, we used to feel so happy and excited. And it is just because of her passion she was working. So please make sure that you are teaching. Next, open communication. Sometimes you need to be open for their communication. Maybe it is like something they want to tell you. Listen to them. Maybe their parents are not listening. And it is reality. Sometimes no one is listening to them. And even you can feel open to listen. Be ready to receive what they were talking. Next thing, go with the flexibility. What is the meaning of flexibility? Suppose you have made the timetable. You have made everything. The lot of rules, regulation, discipline is there. But every time we are not a robot that start the class. Start the thing. I need to complete the syllabus. I need to do this time. Maintain the flexibility in your career, in your personal life. We are not just robot. We are the human. And if you're not flexible, you are incomplete as a human. Please maintain the flexibility. It is important. Next, long-term impact. What is the meaning of long-term impact? I could say for the long duration. Just I have given you an example that I remember my nursery teacher. The way she used to taught. I don't remember my 2nd grade teacher. I don't remember my 3rd grade teacher. I don't remember my 5th grade teacher. After that, I started remembering about my 6th, 7th, 8th. Because on that time, in a conscious zone, I could remember. But I remember always my nursery teacher. So the long-term impact your teacher has, they have that feeling way you are teaching it is going to create. So you need to work on the impact part.